Don't forget Nab.
Oh, Nab. Nab.
Hello, Nab. Good
Come on,
boy. Come on
This
then.
way.
Go for a walk. Go for a walk, Nab.
Go on. Go on. Good boy.
Keith,
Oh.
forgot something.
Again.
Yeah. It's like Groundhog Day.
Come on then. There she is.
Who's this?
This is Bay. The latest one. The new edition again.
We're now back to being a full team. Nab's got a little playmate.
Come on then. This way. Come on. Not sure that big wild world, is she?
Not yet.
Good boy.
Good girl.
Come on.
Come on then. Come on then. Come on. Was that a cold foot? So what prompted you to want a fourth?
I got home one day. When was it? Last week, wasn't it?
Tuesday.
And he said, I've seen an advert. You're going up to Chesterfield.
No, I didn't. I hadn't made an appointment.
You had?
I had not.
You were texting her or messaging her.
Only after I said, shall we? I don't know why I'm getting the blame.
I didn't sit at home looking for adverts for pre-loved animals. She's a lovely little dog.
But we're back to 4, which is what we had before, isn't it?
It is. We did go up to 5 at one stage, but that was a bit too many, wasn't it?
It was.
Really. Yes, back to 4. But you've talked me into having brown or red.
Ooh, what a tricolour. Why Bay?
Bay, well, it's one of the names that it's 3 letters for a start. Geographical, as in the bay, and it's one name that we had shortlisted for NAB, wasn't it?
It was, but we thought it was a bit girly, didn't we?
Girly, so suits a bitch a bit more than a boy. So yeah.
So we should explain why it all started with our dogs.
What? The name?
All the names. It's always been 3 letters, hasn't it?
Yeah, all my dogs have been 3 letters, or all our dogs have been 3 letters. Started off with beers, breweries and beers, Wem Ales, was the first dog. Norfolk Nog was the second dog. Then it went to, well, I wanted it to be called Jip. I got married and had kids by this time, so it wasn't beers and breweries anymore. And Jip went to Grandma's and came back Pip because Grandma didn't like Jip. Then my daughter named the next one Meg. Then we had
Rum.
Rum.
We named Rum because my dad had just died. Hello, good girl. And he was in the Navy and his favourite tipple was rum. So we had Rum.
And we had Tor.
Why did we have... No, we had Fen.
Fen. Fen from the Fenlands. We've gone to geographical features or places. So we had Fen. Then we had Tor.
So it's
A Tor.
Fen, yeah, Fen was Tor's mum.
Yeah. And now we've got Nab from, again, a geographical feature, a headland, and now we've got Bay.
Can't have any more because we're running short of 3-letter names that are geographical or geological. You're a good girl, aren't you? Hey? This is Bay's first day out off the lead. What a beautiful day. Cold. The sun's shining over there, but it's still foggy, misty.
know you've been a good friend, and that's in the thick and thin.